students, we are going next passage. Okay, the Balkan Wars. Listen carefully. Turkey was a powerful country in the southwest Europe in the first half of 18th century. The Ottoman Empire extended over the Balkans and across Hungary to Poland. The empire contained many non-Turkish people in the Balkans. Okay, and this time Turkey was very strong and powerful country in the southwest of Europe. Okay, and in the first half of 18th century, Turkey was a powerful and strong country. The Ottoman Empire extended their Balkans and across Hungary to Poland. The empire contained many non-Turkish people in the Balkans, and this empire means Ottoman Empire, contained many non-Turkish peoples and Turk peoples and also living their place. Different nationalists in the Balkans indulged in the most frightful massacres and atrocities. Okay, massacre means murder. Massacre means murder, large scale murder. Next one, atrocities means cruel. Atrocities means cruel, and maximum peoples following frightful massacres and atrocities. The Armenian and genocide is a frightful example. And Armenian genocide means mass murder of a community of a race. Okay, and genocide means mass murder of a community of a race. Okay, genocide means mass murder of a community or a race. Next one, taking advantage of the political and social instability of the Turkish Empire from the second half of the 18th century. So, second half of the 18th century, and Turkish is a very instability Turkish empires that time, and Greeks followed by the others began to secede one after another from Turkish control, and Greeks and other countries and also following and Turkish control. Macedonia had a mixed populations, and this time Macedonia has a mixed populations. There were rivalries. Rivalries means competition among Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria and later Montenegro for the control it. And this times competitions of the countries Greece, Serbia, Bulgaria and later Montenegro for the control of it. In March 1912, they formed the Balkan League. March 1912 formed the Balkan League. So the League and Balkan League defeated Turkish forces. Okay, Balkan Leagues defeated Turkish forces in the first Balkan War. Okay, and Balkan League defeated Turkish forces, and this is also known as the first Balkan Wars, 1912 to 1913. According to the Treaty of London signed in May 1913. So this time and forming a new state created. The name is Albania was created, and the Balkan states divided up Macedonia between them. So this time and division of Macedonia. Okay, and Turkey was reduced to the around and area around Constantinople, and Turkey occupied Constantinople. Okay, next one, the division of Macedonia, however, did not satisfy, and this time the division of in part of Macedonia and did not satisfy Bulgaria. Okay, Bulgaria attacked Serbia and Greece. So this time Bulgaria not satisfied this time, but Bulgaria was easily defeated and other countries defeated Bulgaria. Okay, this is known as Second Balkan War, entered with the signing Treaty of Bucharest. Okay, so this treaty name is Bucharest in August 1913. So Second Balkan War in August 1913. Okay, next one, immediate cause. Okay, the climax of this event in the Balkans occurred in Sarajevo in Bosnia. So this is the climax event of the First World War. Okay, so this time occurred in Sarajevo in Bosnia. On 28 June 1914, the Archduke Franz Ferdinand, nephew and heir of Franz Joseph, Emperor of Austria-Hungary, and was assassinated means murder, and Pasinian Prince of murder Franz Ferdinand. Okay, and assassinated means murder, and Austria saw in this an opportunity to eliminate Serbia as an independent state. So this time Serbia as an independent state, but Germany thought that it should strike first. It declared war on 1st August, but Germany had no quarrel. But Germany had no quarrel means fight. Germany had no fight with France. But because of the France and Russian alliance, Germany army was planning a war against both France and Russia. Okay. But Germany had no quarrel with France. But France and Russian alliance, the Germany army, and took up planning a war against both France and Russia. This is occasion of these advantages. The German violent of Belgian neutrality forced Britain to enter war. German is violation and German must Belgian and neutrality forces. So Britain also entered this war. Okay, and Britain means England also entered this First World War. Okay, students, today homework question. Discuss what was the main causes of First World War. Okay, so next remaining 3 or 4 points now today homework questions. Okay, thank you.